This how-to article is going to go over how to upload a plugin to the VT3000 software. And basically what those include would be hardware. So if you have a VSC touch input module, and there are some other modules out there, they require a plugin in order to be able to add that configuration to the system and so the system can recognize it. So you need that, upload that into the system for those. Those don't require any licensing or anything. The other types that are different from that is the PC-based modules, so that PC call station, PC BSC, PC input module. Those actually require a licensing component, so you'll actually upload them like I'm going to show you here. But after that, you would need to contact customer support so they can give you they can build the license for you for your device. So from here, we're going to go to this core software. And under administration, we want to be in plugins. So you can select that here or these icons, plugins. And we're going to be on this page here. So you can see I don't have anything. First one I'm going to upload is going to be the BSC, which is that hardware device. So I'm going to hit choose my file. And you should have gotten plugin file, something like this from VersaCall. So it's labeled what it is. So as you can see right here, this is a BSC module, and that's the version number. Simply double click it. It's going to show up in my spot here. Just going to hit upload. Now, as you can see, I have a BSC module that's loaded, ready to go. As soon as I add some, it'll start to show how many I have. The other one I was going to show you is going to be actually the PC input module, but like I said, this process works the same for the PC input module, the PC BSC, and the PC call station. So we're going to hit choose file. It's going to be that same process. You're going to need this file from VersaCall, which in this case here we've got an input module, PC input module. So I'm going to double click it. It's going to show up here again. I'm going to hit upload. I'm just going to load into my system. So it's going to populate here. It's going to say PC input module, the version number. Here's saying I don't have any right now. And what this little triangle means is that it's not licensed, right? So I'm using 0, 0. So essentially what you want to do is you want to hit this gear right here. And once you hit that gear, it's going to bring up a page. It's going to have your system key. And so that's essentially what you need to provide to the VersaCall customer service or technician is they're going to need this service key and what module it is that you're doing. They can look up what your licensing is, and then they can produce this product key for you and provide it. The other way you can do it is just take a screenshot of this and send it to customer support. Say, hey, I need my product key for my PC input module, PC BSC, whatever it is, and they can populate it from that screenshot. This will conclude our video on how to upload a plugin inside the VT3000 software. We look forward to talking to you again.